Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to filter out Canva Pro element on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, you start a design by tapping plus or open an existing project. Now tap on Go to Editor. After that, tap on Elements at the bottom. Use the search bar to look for what you need, like icons, photos, shape, or stickers. Once the search result appears, look for the filter icon near the top of the screen. Tap it to open filter options. In the filter menu, find price or pricing and select free. This will hide all Canva Pro elements so you can only see free options you can use without a subscription. Tap apply or close the filter menu. Now you search result, so only free elements, no prologue items will appear. Select free elements you want and add them to your design. You can mix and match icons, photos and shapes without worrying about pro limitation. And that's how you filter out Canva Pro elements on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.